today. What?
What are you doing? Are you playing soldiers, Keelan? Malia, say hi to cousin Ezra.
Hi.
Say hi, Ezra.
Hi, Ezra.
I'm playing soldiers.
I'm playing soldiers.
And here's Keelan. He's got a jet. You playing Christmas toys, Keelan?
Yeah. Stop. Stop. Sorry. What?
Say hi. You want to go see Ezra? Go see over there. Want to see your cousin Ezra? Show your teeth. You just lost it yesterday, huh? Look, shut. Ah, look at that. You lost your tooth. Okay. Say bye-bye, Ezra.
Bye-bye, Ezra. I know you. I love you. Bye-bye. I love you.